chase. Told you how to run.
Okay, so this is the entertainment center or whatever after I painted it silver. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the tile and the okay, so y'all, I had a time with this project trying to figure out which route did I want to go. I didn't know if I wanted to do pink crushed glass inside of the little areas right here. I didn't know. I was like, what should I do? And I know I wanted to use the tile because a lot of the things that I'm putting in the living room is going to be with, done with tiles. But I didn't know if I want to put pink crushed glass in here and tiles, or I wanted to put crushed diamonds in here and tile, or this around. I don't know. I just didn't know, y'all. So what I came up with is that we're going to use these iridescent crushed diamond confetti. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inside of here to give it a cute little glam look. I may use some of this just to go with this, and I know it looks pink, so kind of pink at times, so I kind of definitely want to don't make sense, but I definitely wanted to put something in there that was bam. I don't know why I just did. And of course this tile. So we are going to get started, y'all. Y'all know how I like to do. I kind of like to get right into it. So let's go ahead and put our crushed diamonds inside of the little compartments or whatever you want to call it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the clear glue that we use to adhere the diamond, crushed diamond.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down,
Okay, so now we're finished putting our gems inside of the little compartments or whatever, and I think it looks gorgeous already, y'all. But this gotta go. Y'all know we can't do this. So let me just tell y'all that I used 3 packages of the gems, and when I got them from Amazon, they were $5.99 a pack, which is great because I usually pay about $8.99 a pack for them. And yeah, they are expensive, but I want to tell you an easy way for you to save product. So not like how I just did this. So what you can do is you can use some glitter. The glitter, the iridescent glitter, or either if you're going to do the clear silver, then you can use a silver glitter, and that'll keep you from having to use so much product. You can paint your, whatever. Like say for instance, you're going to do this, you're going to just paint it first, and once you get through painting it silver or whatever color your gems or your crushed diamond or whatever it's going to be, then you can just put that on top of there, and it'll save a lot of product, like a whole lot of product. So where I've used 3 bags, if you did that process of saving product, then you probably would save a bag and a half. You would only need a bag and a half. So, and y'all, the product was $5.99. So, I bought all of it that they had to offer. Like they said, it was 8 left. Like I bought all 8. So I'm going to link in the description. I don't know if they still have it for $5.99 or not, but whatever they had left, I bought it. So I don't know if they're going to give you the sale back or, whatever. But anyway, even for the $8.99, I still buy those or whatever. So I will link in the description so y'all can see if it's $5.99 again. And also, I'm going to, one of you asked me about a code for the mirrored tile. So I'm going to do the giveaway on the 10th, but the mirrored tile is going to be, I think, 5% off. It's not much, but it will, help you out a little bit on the cost. And if you have Prime, that's good too. So from Amazon, that's good too, because dieflyer.com is on Amazon.
It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself. place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings.
Okay, Glam Fam, so I decided to use 3 of these mirrors that I got from Michaels. And I'm gonna use this wrap to do the top of the entertainment center.
Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our entertainment center has turned out, y'all. I am so in love with this pink. I know by now y'all know that I'm doing a hint of pink in the living room, y'all. It's gonna be so cute, or at least I think it's gonna be so cute. So I hope you all do like it. I think the crushed diamonds added a little sparkle. I don't even think it's picking up the sparkle that is on the actual, you know, the look of it. It's not picking it up on the camera, but that's okay, because y'all know it's got to be sparkly if it's gonna be me. So y'all know it's sparkling. You know it is. You know it is. It is sparkling, y'all. Y'all know it's sparkling. Look at the iridescent in the crushed glass. Oh my God, it's so cute. But I mean the crushed diamonds. But okay, so y'all know I had to go one better, and I had to outline my TV with the sparkle as well. Cause y'all know it can. Y'all know this doggone entertainment center can't be sparkling, and my TV ain't. So I had to sparkle the TV out, you know, glam it out. So what I say? What's my word, y'all? Glamorize. So you know what? I think that's gonna be part of the giveaway. Y'all gonna have to put glamorize in the comments to let me know that you all want to enter, not on this video, but on the video on June the 10th. So anyway, if you all like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find it like this, oh God?